Hi, we're glad to be at the SENKO Taiwan office today, and it's a special day for the opening ceremony of this office, and we're privileged to have a honorable guest. Hi, Kazu.
Nice to see you, John.
So first, would you like to share with us the key message you bring to Taiwan this time?
Well, I have to say it's an honor to have the opening of the SENKO Taiwan office. This is a real good milestone for us, and especially when we are targeting to support the AI market and to support the CPO market. Taiwan is the hub. So I think this is a very good strategic move for us.
Yeah, and I know a brief history about the company, which was founded in Tokyo in 1946, specialized in fiber optical interconnection. And that's all I know. So would you tell us more about what the company is doing recently and the goal for the company for the, say, next 3 to 5 years?
Okay, well, generally speaking of SENKO, as you mentioned, we have a long history. The fiber optic division started 35 years ago. And what SENKO's fiber optic division, actually the optical communication division does, is we've been leading the fiber to the fiber connectivity. And that's what we have been doing. And that's what we are still doing as well too. But as you know, fiber is coming more closer and closer to the chip. And right now our focus is to target on the first nano, which is to connect the optical fiber to the PIC, which is used in the CPO market to make that connectivity. So over the years, we've been a connector company, and now it's just that the connector is getting more closer to the PIC.
Well, as I get closer to the chip, I think it's getting more and more exciting. So my question is, do you believe the center of the value in AI infrastructure is shifting from compute to interconnect? And also, do you believe the next major value shift in AI infrastructure will move from chips toward networking and optical interconnection?
Well, that is a very difficult question. Definitely the value is in the computing power of the chips. However, the importance of the connectivity is becoming more and more important because the connectivity is not that you connect one fiber to one fiber. You're connecting 36 fibers or 38 fibers or 42 fibers. Now we're developing an 80 fiber connection directly to the PIC. So while, what is moving the industry forward is in the chips, it's in the semiconductor, it is in the optical engine, the CPO modules, but what it also enables, what is needed is connectivity as well too. So I should say it is both equally important.
Right.
Yeah.
So it's like you need to have a lot of cars with very high power, but also need a highway.
That is correct.
Cars, right?
That is correct. And also what makes it difficult is you need to have the ecosystem, which are like the gas stations or repair shops or traffic lights and all the regulations and rules. And as AI just started so fast and the CPO technology is just emerging, all the ecosystems are kind of left behind, which in many cases, the connectivity part is also, it's not left behind, but it is an important key factor for the success for the whole industry.
Right, it's like you're not going to have a Ferrari running on the muddy roads, right?
That is correct. That is correct. It's not going to move that fast, right?
Right. In your view, where will CPO create the most profound change in AI infrastructure architecture?
Oh, that's very
also another difficult
question. But from CPO, the networking will totally change because the optics will move from the pluggables inside, the switches, and a lot of the routings or fiber shuffles can be done inside switches. We're going to have backplane connectivity, which changes, how fibers are routed to. And really, the fiber routing and the infrastructure does change from the end user to end user. But because of CPO, there's, again, a brand new ways how you can do all the networking. So it will change a lot. And again, it does create the freedom to be able to recreate how you want to connect the switch to the servers and servers to the servers, right. GPU to the GPUs, and the whole network, how it should be. As a connector supplier, what I feel we are obligated and where SENKO should contribute is to support the ecosystems. As you mentioned, we can make a Ferrari and there could be a highway, but who's going to do the maintenance on the Ferrari? For example, even on the connector or our product, which allows the detachability of the fiber connector to the PIC, what kind of epoxy you need to use, how you actively align it, simple things are like, how are you going to clean the product? How is it going to pass through reflows and so on? Supporting and training OSATs, how to attach those things, all are new. So I do feel that rather than saying who owes it, it is the connectors company's responsibilities, or actually in SENKO's way, SENKO's responsibility to support the ecosystem, which led to the opening of the Taiwan office.
And speaking of the ecosystem, could Taiwan become as strategically important in AI optics as it is today in semiconductor?
I think Taiwan is the most important hub, and that is the reason why SENKO opened the Taiwan office. The market is here, the ecosystem is here, the end user is in here. And we would like to, the reason why we opened the Taiwan office is really to work with the end users, work with the OSATs, work with the ecosystem partners that we have, and design and develop a solution so that CPO will be deployed more smoothly into the market.
Okay.
Yeah.
And in addition to this office, you have come to Taiwan many times. The first time in 1996.
That is correct.
So it has been like 30 years. Right?
Yes.
So over these past 30 years, what is the biggest changes, say, in Taiwan overall?
Well, there's a lot of changes, but thankfully there are things that also don't change. The hospitality that Taiwanese people always give, the friendship that that I've been given, and I still have good business partners from those days too. So there's still a lot of good things that have not changed too.
Okay.
Yeah.
So thank you very much,
Yeah.
Kazu. For
John,
your,
thank you very much. Yeah.
sharing. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.